Hey guys, this is the Rocky BlizzardStalker. This is a 10-inch tall boot that features an easy lacing system. It has a full grain leather upper, a comfortable molded padded collar, and it also features a molded shell that's double stitched completely onto the upper that's very durable and rugged. This features Rocky waterproof membrane so it'll keep you completely comfortable and dry, and this also features 1,200 grams of thin slit insulation, so it's going to keep you very warm and comfortable in those cold conditions. This also features a tough, rugged rubber outsole that's great for traction control. If you're looking for an extreme cold weather boot, check out the Rocky BlizzardStalker.